Hello dear friends, I'm Iman. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Just as I taught you how to create a MetaMask wallet in the previous session, in this session I want to show you how to set up OpenSea and connect it to our MetaMask wallet. Well, as you all know, OpenSea is actually the most widely used website or application for buying and selling NFT artworks in the world. For those who want to enter the NFT market and earn money, OpenSea is one of the best marketplaces out there. So we want to teach you how to create an account on the OpenSea website, connect it to your MetaMask wallet, and in future sessions, in the future, we'll also teach you how to create a collection. Alright. When you go to the OpenSea website, the actual site is OpenSea.io. Your account is here. If you look here, these are actually collections or friends who work on OpenSea and have become well known and received the blue check mark. You can follow them here and see their examples. You can go to the explore section and see their portfolios, or if you want to search for a specific person, you can search for them here, check out their portfolios, see their collections, and find out how much they've sold or how many views they've gotten. Alright, now we don't need to deal with this part. Let's go ahead and create an account. Whether it's the account wallet section or here when I click on profile, this page opens up for me. Now let's go to the account wallet itself. Wait, not account wallet, sorry, account wallet. If I click on wallet here, it asks me which type of wallet you want to connect with. Well, it has examples of different wallets like Trust Wallet and so on. We want to connect it to our MetaMask wallets. When I go ahead and click on this specific button, it actually selects my personal user account and then prompts me to carefully enter my user password. Okay, so I'm clicking on connect. Here as well, I'm clicking connect. We click confirm again. Now it's connected to my MetaMask wallet. At this point, the specific balance amount you see right here should actually correspond exactly to the balance in your MetaMask wallet. Okay, sorry, it's 3F74 at the end, at the beginning. Make sure to pay attention that this number must be connected to your MetaMask wallet. As you can clearly see here, looking directly at my MetaMask wallet interface, there is currently no budget section visible at all, so the amount is exactly zero. Or to put it another way, as we often say in the crypto space, our total balance is currently sitting at zero. Now, I have also previously explained the specific English term for this situation to you in detail. I go to the settings section, profile, and here I can choose a profile picture. Now I'm going to take a moment to browse through my gallery and select a high quality picture to put inside my folder. Let me see which one looks best. Okay, that one is perfect, so it's selected now. Once that is done, you can also take the opportunity to create a custom cover for it and add it to the collection to make everything look much more organized. For example, I'll give it a protective outer cover now. I'm going to create another profile picture for it. Okay. Just remember, if it's not uploading here, it's because your picture is too large. Now I'll give it a username. For example, I'll write iman.art. Alright. You see, it created the green check mark for me. You can write a biography about your work. The add URL is the same code that's provided here, so you don't need to enter it. You enter your email. Now whatever email you have, just enter it. You can connect your YouTube account and then click the save button. Okay, here it tells me that your user Iman Art has a problem, so I'm going to change it. Okay. Well, it seems that it just gave me yet another unexpected error message once again. Now it checked everything for me completely. It says a confirmation will be sent to your email, so I created an account. I can come back again and adjust these settings or make changes. This is my profile, and you can handle the rest yourself. Now I have a profile created for me under the name iman.studio. And actually the user has a bio. I will definitely write and add the biography. Guys, if you see that I just wrote this like this, well, my own profile is separate. Be sure to pay attention, and based on the NFTs you've created and worked on, make a really good cover here. Put up an artistic photo, or actually create a unique ChatGPT character image, because this page doesn't need to have a real photo like your YouTube profile. The more you go towards anime style characters, the more fans you'll attract, and you can engage your own audience. Let's do it. The username you create can be an abbreviation of your name, and you can use the word NFT in it. Be sure to mention NFTs in your bio. Say that you are an NFT creator, that you have various collections, and write anything that describes your characteristics, your art, and your artistic side. Definitely connect your Twitter account, or what is now called X. Also, make sure to connect your Instagram account so that people who visit your Instagram or your OpenSea page can follow you, come to your Twitter, read the stories behind your collections, and become more interested in buying from you and working with you. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Until the next lesson,
The next session will be about creating collections.